Alright guys, to verify our account, just go to the profile, click right here, okay? Right now, you just need to type your first name, click in here, last name, email, your phone, and date of birth, okay? When you just type all this information right here, we will appear for you to select your country. And after this, to select personal document that you can use to verify it, as ID card, passport, residence permit, drive license. Okay? You just can use all of those documents. And after that, you already got this. It's very simple and very fast, and you already got your account verified. Okay? That's for all. Hey! Do you want to join a group where share signals and strategies that really work? And the best part, it's completely free. Then listen up. In my free group, I share various strategies, insights, and live operations, 100% real and transparent. I will never ask you for money and won't spend anything to join. Alright? Want to learn how to earn more with operations? Click the link in the description or the first pinned comment and join the group now. See you there, guys.